Alrighty, so here we go. Just wanted to show off some of the changes that I've made on my portfolio. I have worked on the banner where the navigation bar is, above where it says about projects, resume, social. I've changed the background color on there from the gray, the standard gray where it's here, to from black to red to yellow. Um, this color right here, it's like an off gray bluish color. I actually got that with a color picker, and from looking for almost the color of the front of my hair, which is silver. It's not dyed, it's actually a natural color. So that would be too white almost. So I did a Google search and I used that color picker. It's called Colorzilla. It's actually a pretty cool plugin, and I was able to find a very similar color to what I wanted by looking for different hair colors on that blue-gray area. Um, the website still looks, this is my very first portfolio. It's mostly, well, it's HTML and CSS, and I have some HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript projects on my project section. If I go to the About, that's what the website used to look like, excluding the color on the background, this color that I just mentioned, black, red, and yellow, the graded color. But the buttons over here, that's the style that I had before, and I'm doing away from that. And it's still mobile responsive, as you can see. The other change that I did here with the navigation bar is the burger. I made the liquid for 2 seconds, so whoever is visiting the website, you could actually see that on my profile. You could actually see that you somewhat see the see-through, the transparency. Um, also notice if I change the website size, um, the browser size, the navigation also changes to fit all the options that I have in the navigation menu on the burger. As I change it, it adapts to its size, so it's pretty responsive, I like to think. If I don't want to see this here, the navigation going up and down, I just obviously hit the burger, it'll go away. I've also added my resume to one of my links, which is something that I didn't have before. So if I click on there, I get my resume in a PDF form. Obviously gives me the option to download, to print it, share if I want to. That's the direct link right there. Social comes down here. It's supposed to show the footer. That's what it was before. It was called contact, but I'm actually going to make one page just for my contacts, but I'm going to try to make something a little bit different. Projects, obviously comes to the projects. I believe I may leave it on here on the home page. About, obviously it's going to change this. I'm trying to do it with these buttons, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for viewing. Again, this is really the major section that I did. I'm currently advancing in JavaScript, and when I take breaks away from that, I am working on revamping my portfolio, since I am currently in the market looking for a full-time or consulting gig, contract, whichever may be, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm trying to make my my UI as attractive as I possibly can. Thanks for watching.